Ryan here, Still Reviews. This device is called a Pore vacuum. Pore vacuum. It sucks the stuff out of your pores just like that. Oh my goodness. More footage like that to come if that's what you're into. But it's a unique device. I think it works with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It calls it Blu-ray because it's China. But that's what the unit looks like. It's got 5 different degrees of suction power you can go through. And you can download this app and you can watch. You can watch this thing sucking the goo, the dipsy doo, gooaroo, out of your nose and anywhere else you can get some of that stuff out. You can pop that plastic thing off and clean it. I like to dig a Q-tip in there when I'm done and sniff it. And we'll get to that later, but this is how you find one. This is the one I purchased. I was going to link to it, but it's out of stock, so I'll just show you that all you have to do is just look up Pore Vacuum on your favorite shopping site. I don't know if I've seen these in like brick and mortar stores, Walmart, Target, but I can't say I was ever looking for one. It's a pretty neat device. I made a video years ago that was kind of popular about that stuff that can come out of your pores, especially your nose, is called sebum, and you're actually doing damage to your pores, making them wider. You make your nose red, and you shouldn't do this. So I don't know how this is marketed as something that's beneficial, but this is me using the camera in the machine. In a second, I'll just let you enjoy it, and I'll put some background music on, and here we go. All right, that was a pretty wild ride there. Like I said, on Amazon, the one I bought is sold out. They don't all come with these cameras and Wi-Fi to your app and stuff, and you don't really need it. I thought it was cool, and it's gross, just like the habit of doing this is gross. But you can find them for like $15.